afternoon. Well, in my effort to do a video or some videos of a few cafes around here, I forgot actually to do the place I'm staying. It's called Klong Kloi Cottages, which are really chalets. But if I start with the beach or the view from the cottage area, last year we stayed in White Sands, which is on the other side of the island, and we just drove out to this place just for a look, and we decided to come and stay here this year. But the rooms are quite nice. I'll try and get a video in hours later, but it's lived in now, so it's not looking like a new room. At the moment, in the quiet season, they let us park the cars by here, but normally you have to park in the car park at the end. They don't want too many cars spoiling people's views. There's a little bar and restaurant here, open not too late in the evenings, but at the moment we're the only people staying here. That's our chalet there, but they've got a good selection of chalets, family rooms, and at the moment me and a couple of friends are the only ones staying here. I think that's a new family room. But the rooms we're staying in are very nice. Reasonably big bathroom. No TVs though. But like I said in another video somewhere else, I don't think you come here to sit in and watch the TV. Nice small chalets here. I think the further you get away from the sea, the cheaper they get. Hello, Sawadee Cap. You having your food, yeah? This way. Nice. This way you have your food, yeah? What? This is one of the. Yeah. This is the staff here. Yeah. I think they having a lunch. Hello. Is it okay if I just look in from the door?
Yeah, just
okay.
Yeah.
Just to see. You know how much these ones are here?
Now?
Yeah.
250 baht.
250 baht.
Yeah.
No air conditioning, no?
Yeah, fan.
Fan.
Only fan.
Okay, I'll go and have a look now.
Yeah.
Well, I suppose you got that. These little chalets here, more rustic looking. Just a fan, but at the moment 250 baht. This one looks like it's made up a bit, so I won't go right inside. I'll just put the camera up for you to see. Okay, and all these 250 baht. Lovely area, and within 10 minutes walk you've got a choice of 3 or 4 restaurants. I'll just walk up the end and down the other side. This is the cheaper end of the market. I'll just find out what price the other chalets are. Oh, the lady who speaks English has disappeared. Right, I've just asked. The ones on the other side here now are 500 baht a night. I think they all got air conditioning. Here's another one here. The ones on the other side now we're just walking around to are a little bit larger. All these chalets, only a few minutes walk to the beach. They're still doing some work on that one. There's some clothes hanging up on these, so I won't go any further. Maybe people are renting and we didn't know. Oh, okay, is anybody staying here?
Yeah.
People stay here?
Stay here.
No, I say people living in these now.
No hat.
Okay, which one can we go inside?
Yeah, look inside. You can look. Yeah.
Okay, when I see the clothes hanging up, I think somebody live.
That's me.
You're living here.
Yeah.
Okay, I can look in this one.
Yeah.
Thank you. And this one 500 baht, yeah?
No, 500 baht. Yeah.
Oh, 500 baht the one in the front. This one
700.
700 with air condition, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Well, there you go, 700 with air condition. Just back from the beach. Should be able to see the water from there, just. Nice size room. Clean and tidy. To be honest, with our room that we've rented, I spend more time on the balcony on the hammock rather than being sat inside all the time, so I should imagine most people come here are the same. Spend all your time on the beach. And I've seen a few videos from other people on the other side of the island, and it seems to rain a bit more, or they've had more rain. But we've had a few rain showers in the last week, but within an hour, gone, sunshine back out. But these ones on the front, I think the three you can see now are the same size. They all have a double bed, and the one at the end is like a family chalet with 2 double beds. Here's my friend Dorian and his wife, who's been in a few of the videos before. Hello. We'll go to the pier soon, have something to eat, okay? Right, I'm going to pop into that one because it looks like it's made up but nobody's in there. These ones we paid 800 baht a night. Give me one moment to get the sand off my feet. $800 baht a night. We're trying to negotiate a deal now and decide whether to come back for a month. But we've been very comfortable in ours, and they allowed us to bring our 6 sugar gliders as well in a cage. Oh, no electric on. But the bathroom's a reasonable size. I've enjoyed my time here. My friend has to get back, and we've brought him in our car, so I would have stayed another week, maybe 2 or 3 weeks longer. But at least we know now that we like it here and we can come back again. Fantastic place.